Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and I'm back with you with another Project Life layout. So I will be documenting week 25, so this will be a process video, and then at the very end I will show you a finished layout that I have done off camera just so that I can catch up because I am more than a month behind. The summer has been pretty busy. Just got back from our family vacation and a weekend getaway and all that fun stuff that you do over the summer. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take you through my week here. This documents Father's Day weekend, and here I am just making this little hinge for my 4x6s above. Have two pictures, one picture with my father and my kids, and then another one with my husband and my kids. So I just quickly made this hinge here, just cut out a 1-inch strip from copy paper, and then scored that at a half and fold that over, and then just adhered the bottom picture to and then the top picture on top of the hinge. So that is super easy. And then I do end up punching out a tab with my tab punch from Way Our Memory Keepers. And here I'm just adding a little, what is this called? A label. It says favorite, hanging out with dad. And then I do end up adding the tab there. I do end up using my glue, my glitter glue, to adhere that little strip there. And so I'll be using June's kit. This has this little award ribbon that says #1 Dad. And then just proceed to add the rest of my pictures there. So here I'm just quickly adhering the tab here and then inserting the flip over there, and so there it is. Super easy. So then I'm just going to go ahead and move to the center of the layout there. I printed 2 3x4 pictures of one of us at the movie theater. I took my kiddos and my daughter's boyfriend to the theaters to go watch Inside Out 2, and that was a cute movie. And then the picture, the 3x4 picture besides that one, is a picture of my brother and my kiddos. He ended up surprising us and taking us to this VR place, and the kids got to play a virtual reality game, and that was pretty cool to watch. I kind of sat out. I just didn't know how I was going to react because I kind of get motion sickness and dizzy and stuff like that, so I didn't want to chance it, and it is kind of expensive. So I just let them enjoy themselves, and I took all the video and all the picture, of course, because that's what Mamarazzi does, right? At the top there, I ended up adding a little label and around here, and then a little acrylic piece. It's a little heart there. I do end up sanding the back of it. There was like a little bit of glue left over adhesive, so I just took that off with one of those enamel to file down your that you use to file down your nails. I used that. I have a little one in my little kit there, and then I adhered it. This right here is a little stamp set that I did end up buying at the Dollar Tree store. Yeah, you guys, they sell stamps there too for $1.25. And it was a birthday set, and I thought, you know what, I haven't used it. I'm going to bring it out and I'm going to use it. I do end up using this 4x6 card. That was like the birthday, and so I just used a label there, stamped hooray in the middle, added my husband's picture there because my husband turned 44, and journaled a little bit on this card here that says make a wish, and just talk a little bit about his day. My husband's very doesn't like to celebrate his birthday, and he's just really low-key, so he doesn't really ask for much, and sometimes it's even hard to get him to do the minimal things. So journaled a little bit about that. And then we have completed the left side, so now we're going to start the right side here. I went ahead and did 2 collages actually. I do use a PicFrame. I believe it's still free. I know that you have to pay for additional collages, but you know, if you want to, you don't have to. I really like this one though because it gives me the 2x2s, and I like that 6 pictures, the grid here, because when you have a lot of pictures and you don't want to print a whole lot, you just, you know, make a collage out of it. We ended up going to, my brother took us to go eat at this ramen place. This is a new place for us because usually we go to Bakersfield, which is 2 hours away from us. And it kind of is like a long way, so we decided we wanted to find a place that was a little bit more local, and it was really good. Not as good as the place that we usually go to, but it will satisfy the craving. I do end up adding this little bunting flag here that says exploring, and I talk a little bit about our day, how we went to this VR place, and then we had ramen at the end. And then as I start my journaling here, I do add this picture of the book that I finished for the week, which was Yellowface. And I do end up having to, that's another unfinished project that I got to do. I have a book journal and I got to do June's monthly wrap up. I'll be doing that soon and catching up. So here is my selfie, my Thursday 3. And I do document my Thursday 3 card off camera because I'm unable to see what I wrote and I have to get on my phone. So here you see I've already journaled about it, and now I need to journal this top card here. And I realized that when I stamped this, I put June 27th, 2023 because I've been working on my summer journal from 2023 and I forgot to change the year. So I did a little boo-boo. I restamped it with the correct date and decided that I would just use one of these little die cuts to cover that little piece there. It doesn't look great, but it's fine. I'm okay with it. I'll just have the date stamped twice and that's fine. I'm okay with that. And then I just journal about our day, how we went exploring and did 2 new things for the day. There's just so much to do, and you just don't realize what you have in your town until you go out and try, you know, try different foods, try different places. That's how you get to know the things that you like. So yeah, that was really fun. Me and my kids loved it and we had a great time. My brother is always spoiling us and it's just super fun and making wonderful memories with him. So I complete this journaling card and then I pretty much finish with the middle row there. And then the last collage there is documenting our day 2. My brother took that week off, and so we were doing fun things during that week because our summer has started, and you know, trying to do summer adventures. And here we decided, he took us to this one pizzeria. It's called Nesso's Pizzeria, and the pizza there, oh my gosh, it's so good. If you're from the area, definitely recommend. It's really good. I end up using these little speech bubbles that says "this is," and then I decided that I would pull out some alphas, and I needed some small ones, and I ended up finding these old Studio Calico pink alphas, and I decided that I would use and spell out pizza. I didn't have an A, but I used a Q and I cut off the bottom. You can't really tell, but I like to just, you know, be creative with the letters and try to use the most of them. It's really hard to find alphas that you have a complete set of. So yeah, that's what I like to do. And so that completes this collage here. And you did end up using this card that says yes to this or something like that. I can't really see, it's kind of small here. But I definitely wanted to find something that said good eats, and I know I had a stamp set but I couldn't find it, and I tried to find these die cuts, nothing that I had on hand. So I ended up just writing it in with my own handwriting. Doesn't look the best, but I decided that I would just go with it, and I was tired of just fumbling through all my things. Right now, my scrap area is a mess because I'm trying to get my shed here, and right now we're at a halt, but pretty soon, hopefully, I'll get that ordered, and I'll be moving out soon, and all that jazz. So everything is just everywhere. So anyway, I improvised and put good eats. And then I ended up using these puffy geotag stickers. I ended up using the yellow one just so that it would kind of match with that book cover there that says Yellow Face. And then I proceeded to write Anesso's Pizzeria. And of course, when I'm writing this, I make a mistake and I misspelled pizzeria because my instinct was to spell pizza, and it's Pizzeria. And so I kind of did a boo-boo, but it's okay. I'm human, I make mistakes. I don't know, it's been such a long time that I've actually done Project Life, so it was kind of hard for me to get into it. Hopefully it gets better. Anyways, here's my finished layout, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And I'd like to know, do you guys have any vacation plans this summer? The summer's not over yet, so comment below and let me know what you guys are up to, and I can't wait to hear back from you all. All right, I will show you a week 26 here in a bit, and I will go ahead and sign off. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of your summer. Until the next crafty video, bye guys.